Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about different types of staking and plant ties. I have three different kinds here, um, each with a little bit different usage. So the first one I'll show you. This one is a bit like saran wrap. It's very easy to tie around things and tear with your hands, but it's also pretty strong. And you can see that I'm using it here for my dragon fruit. And I'm going to be using it to attach this here so that this has more support. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. So you can see I have it wrapped around, and I'm just going to tear this off with my hands and then kind of make a little makeshift tie out of it, and then that's that. It's a really easy option to use. So the next one I have is kind of a foam option. It's not as long lasting, but it's also a bit more delicate. So I'm going to be using it right here on this little carob that is needing to be straight, because I don't want to be too forceful with it. So I can just take this and tear it off with my hands, and it's got a little adhesive on the back, so you can just stick it to itself after you wrap it around the plant. And just like that, I've staked up this little guy, and now he won't grow in all wonky. And lastly, I have a more heavy-duty, but still easy to work with version of a tie, and it might be like a vinyl or something. It's got a texture to it, but you can see it's a pretty good option for larger things that are going to be in place for some time, and you don't want to have them be more delicate and risk breaking. And I'm going to be applying that here because this avocado is going off on its own and it needs a little bit more staking. When you look for any of these options, I would recommend kind of checking out different places for prices. The reason I say that is I got like 3 of these rolls for like $5 to $10 on Amazon, whereas you would get like 1 of these rolls at a garden center. So they can be found very, very cheap if you look in the right place, and you're not going to go through them that quickly. So once you've bought one of those multi-packs, you're going to have it for a long time, and you're just not going to have to buy this stuff again. So it's kind of worth it to get it from the right place at the right price. So yeah, that's different staking and tying options for plants and trees.